Let me get it. This one is for Phyllis. Phyllis, let me get you this. 300 pieces of our canine, 300 pieces of our transparent blue, and two big diamonds. Yes, ma'am. Let me get it for you. Thank you, girl. Thank you. So first is our transparent blue. 1 and 2 and 3. Let me get you another one. And let me get you 300 pieces of our canine. I also want to mix the color for you. Make sure you got all them different colors. This one is for Lily. Finally, you make it back. So glad you caught me in the last minute, okay? Here, last call. This one is number 1. I want you to have all the new colors. Number 2, and our mystery black. Number 3, that would be 300 pieces, right? Hey, let me get it. This one is extra for the rainbow. And let me get you the clear one. Another extra. Ooh, here, enjoy. And let me get you 2 diamonds. 2 containers or big diamonds. Here we go. I want to mix it for you, Philly. And Philly, let me know how do you like it when you get your order, and come back for more if you do like them. Here, gonna get the containers. Number 1 containers, our big diamonds. This one is the flamingo. Flamingo is a really gorgeous color. And also want to give you another one for gift. So 3 containers of big diamonds for you. This one is for Philly. And let me get you those goodies. Here, number 1 and number 2, number 3, and here. Just did the first order. Oh, girl, thank you so much. Hey, you got me in the last minute. Here, another good chance for you, and I will give you more. Oh. Let me know when you got them. Okay, here. This one is for Philly. Let me get you those warm welcome gift. Okay, Philly. Here. Goodies and extra diamonds, big diamonds. And this one is our K9. I got you all the colors, way more than 300 pieces for you. This one is color changing, way more than 300 pieces for you as well. And let me get you another one. Lexi is gonna finish the live really soon. You can check them out. It's a really affordable price. We are the manufacturer in China. Let me get you another one. Yes, we do ship to California, girl. And another one. Last call, ladies. Last call. You need some of them green? Oh, girl. Yes. So here, this one is for Phillies. Last call, ladies. Phillies. Now you're in my lucky draw.
So as you can see, I got my order packaged on the live. I would have never found this if it wasn't for I Am Biscuit. She shared this a few weeks ago and she got some really nice stones. So I headed over to the live and I ordered myself some. So the TikTok account is at Nail Artist Sava, and the woman who does it, her name is Lexi. The first thing I got were these heart charms that change under a UV light. She also has these in pink and purple and the gummy bear shape. Next are these rhinestones, and I think I should have got more of these because I ended up liking these a lot more. When I first poured these onto the tray, I was like, yes, I am glad I got this. The clarity is like on a different level. I set my camera to 4K so that I could capture the clarity and the shift, but my camera didn't do it any justice. Whenever I next order from her, I'm going to get so much more of this color. The shifts are crazy and I couldn't really capture them, but even on camera it still looks pretty good. If you want these crystals, they are listed as Nail Art Big Diamond on her website. On the website, it doesn't show you each of the colors that they have. I think it only shows AB and rainbow, and there's also an option for mixed, which is what I got. I decided to record it in slow motion on my phone just to give you guys some angles, just to see if you could see it a bit more, and I don't think you can, but I tried. Next are the K9 rhinestones. She spoke about this a lot and lots of people were getting them, so I got myself some. I ordered 300 pieces and she gave me like 5 or 600, which was great. Unfortunately, these don't have any names. It's just listed as K9, which kind of sucks because I want to ask you guys which one is your favorite, and I feel like it's just going to be a matter of like seeing what color you saw and then commenting, I like the bluey purple one that's got a greenish shift but doesn't have a greenish shift. It'll be interesting to see what you guys say. So I didn't show you all of the K9s that I've got because I'm going to show them in a lot more detail in the next few minutes or so. Now I'm going to show you the random stuff that she added up close. She added charms, a pack of glitter, caviar beads, and press-on sticky tabs. Just a heads up, the ASMR portion is coming up next. If you don't like ASMR or if you don't like the way that mine sounds, you can turn it down. I would say skip, but I show more of the K9 crystals and I'm not quite sure where. I guess I can find you a timestamp of where to skip to, or I might be lazy and not do it. But there is like a few jokes here and there. So if you actually did come for this for ASMR, I'm sorry, it's not that. My camera just picks up too much ambient noise and it takes away from the ASMR. To organize my rhinestones, I use those triangle dishes from Shein. I got this storage container. I'm going to make a video on it, but I got it from my local Japanese Dollar Tree. It's called Daiso. I don't know. And then I used my cuticle pusher. Someone let me know if there was an easier way of doing this because I felt like it took forever. After sorting them, I was left with these random ones. And this is it once I sorted them. I used my phone's flash to kind of hover around it so you can see them shining some more. Next, I'm just going to put them into the container.
Are you kidding?
And that is it for the video. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if I should quit this whole nail thing and start an ASMR channel. I'm just kidding. I couldn't even say that fully without laughing. But if you like this video, like, comment and subscribe, and thank you for watching.